Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, let me show you how to add your own custom ringtone to your iPhone. First things first, you need to make sure your iPhone is running iOS 26. If you're using any iPhone older than iPhone 17, you just need to go to settings and make sure you have updated to the latest version, which is iOS 26.2 at the moment. Once that is done, you can add your ringtone in two ways. The first way is by using any recordings from Voice Memos app. So if you have a recorded sound you want to use, just tap on it and tap share and scroll up and you will see an option called use as ringtone. Tap on that and it will instantly be added to your ringtone list like this. So now the recording from the Voice Memos app is added as ringtone. If you don't like it later, you can simply swipe on it and tap delete. So the second option is by adding any sound file you download from Safari. If you have a ringtone file or sound you found online, you just download it and it will automatically save into your Files app. So if I go to Files app and to Recents tab, here I'll be able to find the ringtone I just downloaded. Here you need to just tap on the share button, which is right here, and swipe up. You will see the same option, use as ringtone. Just tap it and it's now added to the ringtone section in settings. Again, if you want to delete it later, just swipe and tap delete. So that's how you add your own customized ringtone to your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll catch you in the next one.